Dear students, today we will discuss about partial derivatives. Partial derivatives concept comes when we are dealing with functions of several variables. Earlier we were discussing about the functions which were of the type y is equal to fx. These are functions of single variable. Now we will deal with functions of several variables. Suppose we have a function z is equal to f of x, y. This is a function of two variables. And similarly, we can have functions of 3 variables, 4 variables, and so on. Now, this function of 2 variables, fxy, we can differentiate it partially. We can differentiate f partially with respect to the variable x. We read it as dou f by dou x. And this is the partial derivative of the function f with respect to the variable x. Same way, we can differentiate f partially with respect to the variable y. This we will read it as dou f by dou y. And this will be called as the partial derivative of f with respect to y. When we are finding dou f by dou x, we will differentiate f normally with respect to x, and we will treat y as a constant. Same way, when we are finding dou f by dou y, we will differentiate f normally with respect to y, treating x as a constant. Let us solve a question. I have already written the question. fxy is equal to x square plus 3xy plus y minus 1. Find dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y. So, we have a function of two variables x and y, and we have to differentiate the function partially with respect to x and with respect to y. Let us solve this question. f xy is equal to x square plus 3x y plus y minus 1. Now when we are differentiating partially with respect to x, we know that the variable y will be treated as a constant. Now let us start differentiating with respect to x. Treating y as a constant. X square, we are differentiating with respect to x. So we will get 2x plus 3 is a constant, and we are treating y also as a constant. So constant outside, and differentiation of x with respect to x will give us 1 plus y we are treating as a constant, and differentiation of a constant with respect to x will be 0 minus 1. This is again a constant, and derivative of a constant with respect to x will again be 0, and therefore dou f by dou x will be equal to 2x plus 3y. Now let us differentiate the function f partially with respect to y. We know when we are differentiating partially with respect to y, x will be treated as a constant. So let us start differentiating with respect to y, treating x as a constant. X square will be a constant because we are differentiating partially with respect to y, and in this case x will be treated as a constant. Therefore, derivative of a constant with respect to y will give us 0 plus, again in the second term, 3 constant, and because we are differentiating partially with respect to y, therefore x will also be treated as a constant. So constant outside, that will be 3x, and we will differentiate y with respect to y, and that will give us 1 plus third term, that is y. So no issues, we will differentiate y with respect to y normally, that will give us 1 minus, again 1 is a constant, and we know that derivative of constant with respect to y will give us 0, and hence the partial derivative of f with respect to y, that is dou f by dou y, is equal to 3x plus 1, and this is our final answer.